Hello friend, welcome to back my YouTube channel. Today here we are going to discuss some uh, uh, humor with wife, husband, sailor, father-in-law and mother-in-law. I hope these guys will be effective to learn English in all guys. I make sure my YouTube channel is best way to learn in English. But when we learn, listen some hmm, uh, humor in English. It seems happy to watch this video, and now we are going to discuss here some um, uh, humor video with family member. Don't skip this video. Please watch begin to end. Hello friend, don't wasting time. Let us start today's topic. Some family member with humor. First his husband say, "Talk to you soon, bro. This price." Hey, what's up? Then his husband say, his wife, "Do you help me? Can't I build a bungalow?" Then husband say his wife, "The bungalow will be built in a very shiny way." Then that mm, husband says sailor, "You tell me the price of this cow." Then his uh, uh, wife say his husband, "The cow I have been handling since I was little. Did you sell it?" Then his wife say his, "She has to take care of it, make it big to small. Why sell her as a child?" Then his uh, husband said to seller, "Brother, tell me your price." Then his husband said to seller, "Our price is 7,000 rupees." Then his like sailor say his husband, 60,000 was a lot. I give 15,000 only." Well, give. Then his uh, husband said to sailor, "Well, give me. I respect your word." Then his mm, uh, husband said to sailor, "Come on, I want to build a bungalow." Then husband said to sailor, "There will be a bungalow for 50,000. Great, there is not a big problem." Then husband said to sailor, "She makes my price for the house. Now she pays should look in the uh, payment at home." Then his husband said to sailor, "Give me 15,000 rupees." Then his sailor said his, "Shall I give you now?" Oh. Then his wife said to his husband, "Did you mad? Absolutely. You sold a cow for 15,000 rupees only." Then then his husband said his wife, "Hey, was there a house in a 15,000?" Then his husband said his wife, "Keep quiet, you don't know have a house. I will show you construct a bungalow in a 15,000 rupee." Then his husband say his wife, "You your uh, your gorgeous face should be visible on the floor." Then his wife said to husband, "There is no build a house 15,000 rupees." Then his husband say his wife, "Your parent will help you a little bit." Then his wife say to his husband, "Hey, they are in trouble. How they can help you?" Then um, his husband said to her, "Don't tell me that. People build bungalow for son-in-law, and we will need just little bit money." Then his husband said his wife, "This bungalow is going to be complete to 15,000 rupees." Oh. Then his wife said to husband, "If you run out of money, we have to borrow from them." Then then his husband says, "You close the trouble. Let's go now and get them from now some money. It will better that we bring money now. Then his wife says husband, you go and bring it yourself. Don't I have housework. Then his husband say his wife, people build bungalow for the son-in-law and we will need a very few money. Then his husband say his wife, this bungalow is going to be complete 15,000 rupees. Then his wife say, if you run out of money, you have to borrow from them. Then his uh, husband say his wife, you close the trouble, let's go now get them from some money. Once the construction is started, it must be completed. Look, once I say we should get up immediately and we should leave immediately now. Then his wife say his husband, I am not coming, I want to cook. Then his husband say, once we get there you ask them money. Then his wife say, I can't ask them money. Then they went in his mother-in-law and father-in-law house. Good morning, mother-in-law, how are you? Then his uh, like then his say of the then in his uh, say of the I am fine. Okay. uh, then she asked about him, is your son-in-law doing well? Then his like mother-in-law say, we are very nice. Then he say, is all well, like bro and uh, mm, mother-in-law. Okay. Then he's again say is uh, then he's again say of the like then he's again say mother-in-law, why do you want to leave so late? Then that husband say, mother-in-law was a little late, uh, we have a little bit later leave. Then his husband was seeing him. Mother-in-law mm, uh, uh, mother-in-law like I need 16,000 rupees to build my house. Okay. Then she was saying him, we don't have money, how can I help you? Then again his husband was saying him, uh, you know about very well the people are giving him like like brother-in-law and sister-in-law, like uh, they build much money to build house and any work. Then his husband was saying, why are you not giving me money? Then she was saying, I don't have money. Okay. Hello friend, when we listen, when we talk to someone like such a humor, such a uh, when we talk to someone such a humor and uh, such a good thing in that. Okay, it's really helpful to learn English. Humor and learn to the mm, humor and learn to the English in the mm, uh, when we learn English, humor and the comedy is best way to learn English. It seems no trouble, and so that's why this kind of video I bring someday. Friend, this is my first video. If you really like, please don't forget like, subscribe, share, comment in my YouTube channel. And again, thanks for watching my video, and take care yourself in COVID-19 pandemic all guys.